Hello everyone! You are watching the second part of the video about the air show in Siberia in Russia. This aerobatic group is called the Barsi. All pilots are charming girls. They perform at every air show in Siberia. They are very much loved. I use the maximum zoom of my video camera. These girls can do amazing tricks. See how beautiful they fly. Now they are performing a big wheel in the sky. Wow! One plane is flying upside down over another plane. And I call this trick a blooming flower. I used sunscreen to keep my face from getting burned by the sun. This aviation group is called Rus. They fly training jets. They drew a giant hat in the sky, but I didn't have time to take it on video. This is a helicopter of the Russian National Guard. Most of all, my children liked Swifts. This is Aviation aerobatics group of the Russian Aerospace Forces. They appeared so quickly from the clouds that I didn't have time to take them on video. They fly MiG-29 fighters. They were created in 1977. These old fighters have been modernized and are used in many countries. If you look closely, you will notice that Swifts are painting on the fighters. See how close they fly to each other. This is a very dangerous trick. There were no ultramodern fighters at the air show this year, but the MiG-29s were also very good. And now he's flying very slowly, with his nose up in the air. This is also a difficult trick for fighters. We really enjoyed the air show. If you liked it too, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you later. Goodbye.
Папа, над нами парашютисты. Над нами. Нет. Над нами. Вон летают.